See friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying,
good morning, fellow Ghanaians. My name is Mrs Adwoa Amoako-the M.C.E. I am 10 years old. I want to become a doctor in future. We are the planting seed. Let's everybody plant some.
I'm Papa Yao, work under Committee 5 District, under Honorable Anaya Opokudas. Have you planted the tree? And also plant one.
What I tell Ghanaians is it's better to plant a tree. You have a lot of benefits. You plant a tree, you get oxygen, they help you, the environment. It's good, everybody should plant a tree.
Yeah!
My name is Mrs Adwoa Amoako-the M.C.E. for Tema West. I want to urge every one of us to go green. You know, planting of trees are one of the best things to do in this world. And I would advise that everybody goes green, because Tema West is also going green. Thank you. I want to say thank you to the Italian ambassadors for also going to give us the grant. $1 million, $1 million, $1 million.
This is the planting season. Tema West is going green.
I'm Sylvester Damfasme, the Estate Manager for Environmental Protection Agency. Waste segregation was launched on the 22nd of November 2013 at the Children's Park by the EPA.
Brother, give me that only time, religion, and brother, that only time, religion. Why don't you give me that only time, religion, and brother, it's good enough for me, my Lord, that only time, religion, and brother, that only time, religion. Why don't you give me that only time, religion, and brother, it's good enough for me. Yes, just come on, brothers, if you want to hear a story about that preacher and the bear.
Yes,
Gather round, boys, I don't want you to miss none of this here story, because it goes like this. A preacher, he went out to hunt. It was on one Sunday morning. Now look here, Lord, if you don't help me, don't you go to helping that bear. He needed that only time, religion. He needed that only time, religion. He needed that only time, religion. And brother, it's good enough for me, my Lord, that only time, religion. Brother, that only time, religion. Why don't you give me that only time, religion? Brother, it's good enough for me.
Very much happy that Tema West is also going green. So good.
Yeah, let everybody plant some. Yeah. Let everybody plant some.
Say yeah.
No, we need to.
Thank you.